Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya, I'm a holistic health coach, and today I'm filming a what I eat in a day paleo that's going to be a little bit on the lower side when it comes to carbs. I'm really excited to share these recipes with you because honestly these are some of my absolute favorites. Before we get started, for the best content on the paleo diet, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video every Wednesday. First up, we got some hydration. Here I have a liter of water, and then I add some lemon and the Bent Beauty Marine Collagen in the strawberry flavor. This is a collagen that I take every single day and I add in my water. But lately I'm just really liking the combination of that plus lemon. It kind of just tastes like a strawberry lemonade. It's really nice to sip on in the morning. For breakfast, we're gonna be making some broccoli and cheese egg bites. So these are really great if you like to prep your breakfast ahead of time so you can just grab and go in the morning. Then you're gonna love these, and they're super tasty and they don't take a ton of ingredients. So you'll most likely have everything you need already in your fridge or freezer. So let's get right into it. Breakfast is ready now. I'm really excited to have this. Broccoli and cheese is just such a good combination. And if you're wondering on why I'm having cheese, because I typically follow a paleo diet, once in a while I do have a cheese, and especially in the form of goat cheese. So this was a goat cheddar. When I got my food intolerance test done a little while ago, it did say that I was intolerant to cow's dairy but not goat. So I do take advantage of that once in a while and sneak in a little bit of dairy in my diet. And yeah, so I'm gonna enjoy that and I will catch you guys later. All right, it's lunch time now and we're making honestly the world's easiest salad. So a few weeks ago I was cooking up dinner on the barbecue and I just needed a quick side salad, so I whipped up this salad and I've kind of been obsessed ever since. It's super simple, so it's perfect for lunch because you can just whip it up real quick. You can also just pack it up and bring it to work if that's what you do. So quite simple here. I have some cucumber. I had baby cucumbers that I've been snacking on, so I chopped up 3 of that and I'm just gonna add that in this bowl. And then I chopped up 1 tomato, toss that in there as well. And I also chopped up half a red onion. I love red onion in my salads, it just adds such a good flavor. Then for our protein today, we're gonna be doing canned salmon. I just love canned fish because it's so convenient, it's affordable, it's just all around great. I definitely try to have fish definitely 3 times a week. So having it in the form of can is just easy. So especially for lunch, or if I kind of just forgot to stock up on some quality protein, then I have that in the pantry. So that's honestly it, except for the avocado that I was about to forget. So I also have half an avocado here that I'm gonna scoop into this bowl. Lots of healthy fats in the salad, which is something that is actually gonna keep you full. Since this meal is definitely lower on the carb side, we wanna get our calories from fat. So we have the avocado, that's a good source of fat, and then of course the salmon as well. So you kind of just mix all of that together. Honestly, the flavors of like the cucumber, the tomato, avocado, everything just goes so well. And then I just like adding some salt, pepper, and an oil. Today I'm going to be using olive oil, but usually I would be using avocado oil. That's my favorite. If you've watched any of my what I eat in a day, there's probably avocado oil as my dressing for like my Nourish bowls and stuff. But I am currently all out. I always get it at Costco. If you are in Canada and you want to get avocado oil, get it at Costco. It's like way cheaper than at the grocery store. A little hack for you there. So a little bit of oil, more healthy fats, and that's it. It is so simple. That took less than 5 minutes to whip up. Of course, you would have to like chop the stuff. But yeah, simple. And I love it. Just had a few bites, and yeah, you guys really have to try this one. It's so simple. And I want to mention too, if you don't like salmon or canned salmon, you can add any type of protein to this combination, or any other veggies you want to add as well. But I've done it with like chicken and what else? Tuna, definitely canned tuna, chicken. There's just a few options there. If you want to keep it plant-based, you could do chickpeas as well. I've definitely done that in the past too. So yeah, definitely give it a go. If you do give it a go, then don't forget to snap a picture, and you can actually tag me on Instagram, where I'll be able to see that you made it and I can share it, and we can kind of connect that way. So if you don't know my Instagram, it's just at the Fit Health Coach, and I just post a ton of like recipes on there and more like daily content. For dinner, we're making some steak fajita bowls. So I'm really excited about this recipe because anything that I can just throw in the oven and kind of let it do its thing is my favorite. Especially around dinner time, we all have a ton of things to do, so it's nice to be able to just put dinner in the oven and go do other things. So I just chopped up red, yellow, and orange bell peppers, and then I added also some red onions in there. And we're just going to, I know it looks like a lot of veggies, but it does really shrink down. So you want to kind of fill up, I don't know, about half the pan. And then I have some steak here that's already been sliced. So it's just beef stir fry strips. So it just makes it easy. If you just kind of have steak that you want to slice yourself, that works as well. I just took the easy way here. Then I just kind of add these to the baking sheet as well. So it's so easy. Just want to separate them out as much as possible. Okay, now we're gonna add the seasoning. So I'm using the Primal Palette taco seasoning. These are organic spices, and I just really like that one. You can also just like make it yourself or just get it from the store. But I like having one that's already like ready to go, because I just like making like fajitas and like tacos and stuff. So I use it quite a bit. Generously coat everything. And next we're gonna use salt and pepper, of course. And then I'm just gonna add some olive oil as well so that nothing sticks. And make sure we mix all of that together. Perfect, awesome. So all you do now is you toss that in the oven. So it's so easy. And while this is the oven, we'll prepare the rest of the bowl. Okay, so at the base of our fajita bowl, we're gonna use some cauliflower rice. Cauliflower rice is just such a great alternative if you don't consume grains. There's a few options. You can just do it fresh to get a head of cauliflower and then grate it, and it kind of turns into cauliflower rice. Or you can do frozen. Most stores will sell it already rice for you. That's my favorite, honestly, because it's super convenient. But then recently I also found this at Costco. Actually, it was in my Paleo Costco haul. I'll link that up here if you're interested in checking that out. But essentially it's Actually, it's shelf-stable, so you're able to not put it in like the fridge or freezer, so if you're limited on space there, but you want to have some cauliflower rice on hand, highly recommend that. It's from the Brain Earthly Choice. But anyways, I'm going to be doing the frozen option today. So all I do is I add it in a pan with a little bit of oil, salt and pepper. You guys know the drill by now. And then yeah, that'll be the base of the bowl. I'll add the steak and the peppers and onions on top with some avocado and cilantro, and it's going to be a bomb meal. Ready. Honestly, I'm just loving how every meal today is so simple. This was so easy to make, so I just added the cauliflower rice with a little bit of cilantro in a bowl, and now I'm gonna add some peppers, good, and then some steak on top. That looks so good. You can add like more cilantro on top of stuff, and then I'm gonna top it with half an avocado. You can mash it up, make guacamole if you'd like. And I don't have any lime at the moment, but if you have lime, I would highly recommend juicing some lime on top of this, and it would just kind of complete the meal. Perfect little fajita bowl, completely paleo friendly, it's gluten-free, dairy-free, all the good stuff, and full of vegetables because you got your cauliflower rice instead of rice, you got all the peppers, avocado, super nutritious. All right, so it's a little bit later. I know it doesn't look like it. It is so bright outside again, which I'm loving. I love how the nights are just so much longer this time of year. It's so nice. It's great for one, filming videos, two, taking pictures, but also it's just nice to be able to enjoy more daylight. Anyways, usually around this time of the day after I had dinner, I will have like maybe a little like dessert, unless I really had like a super filling dinner, but this dinner was a bit more on like the lighter side for me. Anyways, so I've been kind of back on like the fat bomb train when kind of keto came out, and even when I tried keto for a bit, I was making fat bombs all the time. Whether you're keto or not, fat bombs are honestly so good because they're a very like satiating snack or treat that typically you have, and then you're not gonna keep eating more and more snacks. So these actually fill me up. So this is like a classic one that I've made in the past. It's a chocolate collagen fat bomb, and it's super easy. It's just you do equal parts of cocoa powder, coconut oil, almond butter, and collagen. Melt it all together, pop it in the freezer, and bam, you're done. So anyways, it's about like 200 calories for one, full of healthy fat, so one is usually what I would have as a little treat. Anyways, I'm probably also gonna have a kombucha because kombucha is just like my favorite summer drink. It's great for your gut health, full of probiotics, and it's tasty. All right guys, so that's gonna end this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely let me know in the comments down below which meal you are most excited to try. I can't wait to hear from you guys, and also let me know what kind of videos you'd like me to film in the future. I know you're really liking the what I eat in a day, but if there's anything else you guys would love to see from me, then definitely let me know. If you did enjoy this video, I'd love if you could give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!